But what is important is our like how is this displayed on the wall itself. So for that we do this projection setup, and we have a projection setup done in our studio. I think this one is one I did on my computer. It's very similar. It's probably name is different. Now, if I open this one, that is kind of our visual representation of our LED wall. And this was done by setting these values. So when there was nothing here, I created this, and this is a very nice way to create a 3D model of your wall. It's also going somewhere, and this is important because if you use another project, this path needs to be accessible later on. Know exactly that a wall in our studio has 15 columns and it has 6 rows. So that comes up to 90 panels. They're all 50 by 50 centimeters. They have a specific resolution. So here we have Black Pearl 2v2 brochure, and it says 176 times 176 resolution by 176. So put that value in. And the curvature, this is another place to make possible mistakes, is that I think like, okay, I have 5 curvature between each panel or each column, but I have to calculate the whole curvature, so it's actually 5 times 15. I think I can enter that value as such, so it comes out as 75 degrees. So our whole curvature is 75 degrees. That is per tile or per wall. So you can actually say yes, 5 degrees per tile. Now, actually, yeah, here we have 2 panels. Now they're on the same place. Let's see that if I move the other one, it's moving over there. A tip now for all Assimilate Live future things. You want to reset these values. Here, the right mouse button just opens this value box, and the left mouse button changes it. So you hold the control and press somewhere on that dialog box. If I go left and right, these values change. By default, for some reason, it's a dial, like a circular dial. So you actually have to do this kind of movement, which is kind of weird and not very intuitive in my opinion. Second option is different now because I don't really have the physical monitor there attached to my computer. But basically, we should say that I have a LED wall over here that's also 2640 times 1056 attached to this. And last important thing maybe is that we have some kind of a offset from our camera to our wall. So now they all are 0. So basically, when you do the model, we basically have the 5-meter offset, for example, which is this is basically the camera position, and this is the wall position.